Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean out your Baby Lock Enlighten serger. I was going to do an entirely different video until I opened the door of my serger and saw this mess. Doesn't look too good, does it? Let me get a close-up. Oh my word, what a mess. Please do not let your serger get this bad. I should know better, and I do know better, and it's just a little bit lazy, if I'm honest, that I haven't cleaned it out. And if you want your serger to last a long time, you should really look after it. I'm going to switch my dowel to threading, and I'm just going to cut these top threads off here. What you never want to do is grab these threads and pull them from the back. Never do that, because it's going to mess with some of these innards here, and it could mess with your tension settings. So never pull from the back here. You could literally switch the switch back into serging mode, and you could serge it right out. Or just grab the threads from the back of the machine, lift the presser foot up, and pull, and it all comes through. Another tip, guys, is never use canned air. You don't want to be blowing any air into the machine, because it's going to push any lint or any dust or any threads into the backer workings of the machine. So what I do is I have this whole attachment for my vacuum cleaner, and I'll just show you that in a second. So I have my friend vacuum cleaner, and the attachments are going to attach onto this part here. So in my bag of tricks right here is my attachments for my vacuum, and you can get this from any sewing retailer, and I think probably a fabric store probably sell them, but go into your sewing store retailer where you buy your sewing machines from and see if they have the attachment for cleaning out your sewing machine and your sergers at the store. So it'll come with a tube like this, and this end will attach onto the end of your vacuum cleaner, and then this other end is the ends that you'll use to get in there in order to suck any of the lint out of your serger when you're cleaning it. And with the attachments, it comes with loads of other nozzles. This one has a brush on the end for cleaning, and then this one, so this one's like a circular one, and this one's like a wider one. And then there's these guys here. So there's one with a bend in it and one with a straight. But I basically always use the one that I have attached. It's a nice small area in order to get in to the serger and clean it. So I've got the end of my vacuum hose here, and I've got the end of the attachment, and you're literally just going to press it in and get it in right nice and tight, and then it's all good to go. You literally just turn your vacuum on and start cleaning out your serger. When you are cleaning your serger, just make sure that you are lightly pressing, don't press down on any of the inside of the parts. We are not trying to damage your sergers. Just lightly clean around inside your serger. Didn't take that long to clean my serger out. It probably took, I don't know, I want to say about 5 minutes, if that. So don't be like me, go and clean out your sergers if you haven't done so already. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hit like if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss seeing me next week. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.